Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Today I am going to tell you the summary of the second part of the chapter Two Stories About Flying. The name of the second part is The Black Aeroplane. This part has been written by Frederick Forsyth. The writer Frederick Forsyth was going to England from France. By his old Dakota aeroplane. He was looking forward to being with his family. The sky was clear, the moon was coming up in the east, stars were shining in the clear sky. It was 1:30 in the morning. Now the writer switched on the radio and said, Paris Control, Dakota DS-088 here. Can you hear me? I am on my way to England over. The voice from the radio answered the writer immediately. DS-088, I can hear you. You ought to turn 12 degrees west now. Now the writer checked all instruments of the plane. And turned the Dakota 12 degrees west toward England. Now he thought that he would be able to have breakfast with his family. Now Paris was about 150 km from the place where the writer was at this time. Now there were clouds in the sky. There was not enough fuel in the tank. He thought of going back to Paris. But he took risk. Now everything was black. It was impossible to see anything outside the plane. The plane was twisting in the air. The compass was turning round and round. It was dead now. The other instruments were also dead. Now the writer tried to have contact with Paris control room, but he couldn't do. Suddenly he saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings, but he could see it flying next to him through the storm. The pilot of that plane lifted one hand and waved. He said, follow me, follow me. But after half an hour, the strange black aeroplane was still there in front of the writer in the clouds. The fuel was only for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the writer started to feel frightened. Suddenly the writer came out of the cloud and saw long straight lines of lights in front of him. It was runway and airport. Now the writer turned to look for his friend in the black aeroplane. But the sky was empty. There was nothing there. The black aeroplane had gone. Now the writer landed his aeroplane and went to ask a woman in the control center where he was and who the other pilot was. That woman looked at the writer strangely and laughed. He said no other aeroplane was flying tonight. There was only one aeroplane of you. Now the writer was in the suspicion. He couldn't know who the other pilot was and how he could reach there with that instrument. Student, this is the story of the second part of the chapter, two stories about flying, and I hope that you all will be able to understand this story after listening it. And after listening the story, you also have to do the question answer and exercise of this chapter. Thank you. That's all.